Hi guys, I'm very happy to see you here again. Today we will continue learning our initials of Hanyu Pinyin. We will be learning this row today. 知, 吃, 诗, 日. These are initials, all the initials in Hanyu Pinyin. And today we will be learning 知, 吃, 诗, 日. Listen carefully the sound. 知, 吃, 诗, 日. This one you have to put your tongue upward. And the sound, you compare these two rows. This one is 知, 吃, 诗. This is 知, 吃, 诗, 日. I have a non-Chinese friend who always told me, I often heard Chinese speaking a lot of sound, a lot of gas coming out from their mouth, shh, 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 something like that. In fact, those sounds come from this 翘舌. We call 翘舌. That means you put up your tongue. 知, 吃, 诗, and 日, 日. Okay, let's practice the first one. 知, 知, 吃, 吃, 诗, 诗, and this is 日, 日. So when you match it with the finals, we use the single finals because it's easier. 知, 扎, 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 扎 with 4 tones. 扎, 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 扎. A, E, I. These are the finals. A, E, I, O, U, and Yu. There are 6 finals. There isn't such a thing. There isn't such a thing in Chinese. So, 知, zha, and 4 tones. 扎, 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 扎. 知, zhe, 这. 知, i, 知, 知, 止, 止, 治. 知, u, 猪, 猪, 竹, 主, 柱. Okay, the next one. 吃, 叉, 叉, 茶, 茶, 茶. 吃,车, 车, 扯, 扯. 吃, 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 吃. There isn't such a word. 吃,出, 处, 处. No, don't have. 诗, sha, 沙, 沙. 诗, sha, 沙. You see? It's easy. 诗, she, 舍. 诗, i, 诗, 是. No. 诗, u, 书, 数. 日, no such thing. 日,热. 太阳很热. The sun is scorching sun. 热. 日,热. Sorry, one extra. 热, 4th tone. So you put it this way. 日, I, 日, I is 日. 4 tones. 日. This is 日. So 4th tone. When you put the tone, replace the dot. So the dot disappeared. 日, o, no such thing. 日, u, 如, 如. Okay, for example, 如果的如, if 如果的如. This one is pronounced as 如. So 日, u, 如, and we put the tone as 如. Which one? There are 4 of them, right? ru, 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 ru. Which one is ru? The second one is ru. Listen again. Ru, ru. Second one is ru. So this is ru. This word is pronounced as ru. So we choose the second tone. Ru, 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 ru. No such thing. Okay, that's all for these 4 initials. 炸这蜘蛛，叉车吃出，沙奢湿舒热，热日如。Okay, now you should keep practicing to practice your sound. Okay, see you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.